We're tracking another COVID-19 outbreak at a Colorado Springs nursing home, a home that is already set to close down next month after losing 14 residents to the virus earlier this year.
Laurel Manor Care Center on the city's southeast side has reported another 16 residents and staff members who have tested positive for COVID-19. So why was the public notified nearly a week after the discovery? KRDO News Channel 13's Chase Golightly joins us live with more on the outbreak and why we're often seeing a delay between outbreaks and when the public actually hears about them. Chase.
Heather Bart, health officials tell me there is a lot of work involved when investigating a potential outbreak, but they also tell me it sometimes falls on the facility or business itself when things aren't reported right away.
The latest outbreak at Laurel Manor Care Center shows 11 residents and 5 staff members testing positive for COVID-19. That brings the total number of confirmed positive cases at the nursing home to 58 since the pandemic began. The outbreak happening after it was announced Laurel Manor will shut down by November, following the first problems in March that led to the deaths of 14 residents. The state health department released this information on Wednesday, along with other active outbreaks in Colorado. But word came nearly a week after it was discovered. So why the delay? Haley Zachary, an epidemiologist for El Paso County Public Health, explains the process.
Typically when that delay happens, it's because we are interviewing cases, trying to find out information about where they've been, who they've been in contact with, and if there's a more likely etiology or cause of that illness.
But Zachary also says it could be because of where the outbreak happened. Businesses are required by law to inform the health department if there is an outbreak. But Zachary says there have been some cases where that didn't happen.
We don't always find out about them. Again, we certainly do our due diligence with case investigation.
Colorado Department of Public Health and Environment has seen that as well, sending us this statement that reads in part, sometimes there may be a delay in getting data from the facility to the local public health agency or from the local public health agency to CDPHE. We also learned CDPHE is required by law to release outbreak data, but Colorado counties are not.
Again, Laurel Manor will be closing its doors this November. A spokesperson says they will assist residents in finding a new home. Reporting live in our newsroom, Chase Golightly, KRDO News Channel 13.